Are we back?
Uh-oh. Little help, please.
It's your teapot. So now everything is out of the boxes. We took a little break. Can you look at Daddy? Show him how you're dancing. This thing is insane. Can you do that? Oh. Oh, oh my God. Did it just say a little help, please? Thank you.
Yeah.
It fell over?
Yeah.
Oh my God. How do we do this now? This thing's so
Other hand.
It's Elmo time. It's cups. Are you watching Elmo?
Oh, we didn't fall that time.
Mm-hmm. God.
Do you get that it's based off of the Y?
YMCA?
Yeah, cute,
Yeah.
huh? Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Are we having tea?
Yeah.
Yeah? Can we pour the tea? Here, let's see. Did I put it in the right setting? Here, hold the cup. Can you pour it into my cup, please?
Yeah.
Ready? Go ahead. Now tip it over. Look, watch.
Why, thank you.
Thank you, Emery. Are you going to drink it? Do you want me to pour some?
You're very welcome.
Oh, are you mixing the cups now? Oh, look. You have chocolates? Look at these chocolates.
Elmo.
Do you want more? Or do you want Elmo? You want more? Okay, hold your cup right. Here, hold one cup at a... No. Look, hold it like this. Hold it like that. Oh, good. Okay. Here, I'll pour. Ready? Wow. Can I drink some with you?
Yeah. Why, thank you.
Wow.
You're very welcome.
Good job, Emery. Can you pour Mommy some? Oh, here. You have to set it down again. Ready?
Good job, Emery.
Good job.
You're very welcome.
Here, can you pour some for me? Or you want more? You're thirsty. Here, you have to tip it again. Ready?
Why, thank you. You're very welcome.
Oh, you want more? Did that taste good? Here.
More, please. Why, thank you.
Can you pour some into Mommy's cup?
You're very...
Do you want a chocolate with your tea?
Yeah.
Here, no, but here, put the tea kettle down. Here.
Why, thank you.
You want a chocolate? You gonna eat it?
Yeah.
Oh, you're gonna dip it into Mommy's coffee? Okay. You're gonna dip it? Does it taste good?
Yeah.
Yeah, plastic is yummy. Which one does it go in?
Okay.
Which one does it go in? No. It goes there. Good job. Which one does this go in? Did you get it in there? Here, set it down. Set it down. You almost had it. Good job, Em. Good job. Now put this one in. Good job. Now put that one in. Here, don't press. There you go. Good job. Do you want me to pour you some more tea?
Nice.
Is it hot? Do you need to blow on it? Can you blow on Mommy's tea? It's hot tea, huh? Okay, we need to go night-night.
Okay, night-night.
Cheers.
Emery, can you say night-night?
Can you do cheers with Mommy? Cheers. Cheers.